Yeah, what you got over there, burble kid? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to MFD Garage, and welcome to a fun-filled night. I'm taking Peyton down, guys. I don't want to hear anything about it. You're gonna hear his crying. You're gonna hear him moaning. You're gonna hear him complaining. We're going go-karting, and that kid is going down. Hey, Burbles.
Yo.
I just told everybody that they're gonna hear nothing but crying out of you, because you're going down.
Oh yeah.
This kid's going down.
Winning.
Excuse me?
Winning.
Winning what?
All of it.
Everything. You don't even know what I'm talking about.
I'm winning the race. I'm winning everything. Everything.
You're just winning life, aren't you?
That's right.
That's what I'm talking about.
Right.
We're just gonna crash all of you.
We're just gonna take him out.
No.
Yeah, we're taking you out.
No.
You don't win if you crash.
Well, hey.
I learned that. I came back off a rally, and in the last stretch of it, I totaled a car and I didn't win anything except a hard time.
Listen, as long as I get across the finish line before them, it doesn't matter how it happens.
Oh, I'm sure on that one.
Doesn't matter how it happens. We brought the lineup tonight. We got 2022 brand new R8, Shelby GT500, the 570, the old Huracan, and the Ferrari. How do you say it? Ferrari. It's like pasta linguine. Before I go in there to beat Peyton's rear end, guys, let's walk around and let's see what type of cars we got. There's some absolutely beautiful ones. Let's check these things out. There's a lot of cars here, guys. There's a lot of really nice stuff, a lot of high performance stuff. But this caddy right here is absolutely sick. Golly. Well, guys, I'm walking around here, I'm working, I look over here, and we got the three amigos over here. I don't know what they're talking about. I don't think we want to know what they're talking about. I think I know. Y'all conspiracy how to take me down in there on the track.
We're gonna put a pick move on you, spin you out.
Rude. Is this thing even running?
Yo, listen, it's my daily. Leave me alone.
I'm just asking if it's running. That's all.
Well, actually, yes, it is. Yes, it is. I don't modify everything I play with. Some things just don't need to be messed with.
This is
when
true.
it comes to a prancing horse, you don't need to do anything.
Right there, if you push, you can't push it, but that's how you start it, but don't push it. That's how you start it, and this is how you shift the gears right here.
Yeah, I've seen this on YouTube. I actually follow y'all.
Do you?
Yeah.
You hit that subscribe button?
Yeah.
Right here, kid.
Notifications.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hey, tell everybody what they got to do.
Y'all gotta post notifications, subscribe, and like all videos.
Appreciate that.
Yeah.
Pound it out one more time. Thanks, man.
Go inside and do our little waivers.
What?
Yep.
You didn't do
I
my...
texted you, but you didn't answer.
I've been out here working, kid.
And
We don't need waivers. The guys are coming in the back that'll be crying up tears. Needs to go sign some waivers.
yep.
Preston, if the Tacoma ever, takes a dump on you and you need to get to school, bam!
I'll take it.
Heck yeah!
That'll be fun.
You know who do not let drive that?
Oh, Peyton? Yeah, that would be a bad day.
Yeah, real bad. The 83, you don't see those very out. You don't see the 454s either. Limited. Hey, it could be a 101.
Good.
See that lug nut?
Yep.
It's a 101. Well, guys, you've been seeing us walking around, checking out some of these cars. They're absolutely awesome, but it's time to get down to the nitty-gritty. It's time to go spank Peyton. Let's go get this job done. Why is it aimed down? Why is it aimed down? Come on, kid. All you're gonna be seeing is this. All you're gonna be seeing is this. And they go from one track to the next. I just want you to know that you will not be. You will not be anywhere on there.
over to MFD. He's gonna be filming this race. Y'all gonna see me pass him.
No, what's it for?
YouTube. My cart! You gave me a defective cart! Huh?
I was in first.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Let's go check.
Hey.
You just like crashing into everybody, don't you?
No, you.
Hey. Hey.
My visor.
When you passed me over here, and I smacked into the rear of that guy.
That was your fault.
Dude, I was all on the brakes. All I had was brakes, and I slid right into the guy. Well, guys, I admit it. The kid right here, he got me. 0.2 of a second. He is the winner. 0.2 in racing, that's like all day. So he got me. It was awesome. Next time, kid, you're going down. Next time, you are out of here. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that subscribe button, that like button, turn on those notification bells. As always, don't forget about the 5K car sub giveaway. It's easy. Hit subscribe, screenshot it, follow us on Instagram, DM us the picture. You're automatically entered to win. And most importantly, never forget it. You gotta dream it to live it. You gotta dream it to live it. See ya!